Who needs Josh to tell you something when you have these 4 PEZ dispensers? Yeah, let's find out what they have in common. But first, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Alright. So as you can tell, probably by the title of the video, yeah, that's what they mean by floppy head. So until next, no, hold on. Hold on a minute. I haven't even used the poker yet. Pointer poker. All right, what we're doing is we are distinguishing the difference between a footed PEZ dispenser and a PEZ dispenser with no feet. With feet, no feet, questionable at best. Here's why I say questionable at best. If you look down here at the bottom and you compare the 2 dispensers together, look around the edges. See how the one on the left is kind of rough? Looks like it's been cut. Yeah, the feet have been cut off of that PEZ dispenser. Now the one on the right, where it's really, really smooth with the raised spine, very smooth around the edges, that is a no-foot dispenser with the raised spine. Now the raised spine, 9 times out of 10, is going to let you know the feet have been cut off. So if you turn your PEZ dispenser upside down, you'll see the channel right here on the footed dispenser. Get that out of here. Now, we see the channel here, so we got to look and see if it's rough. If it's rough, the feet have been cut off. Now, the older style no feet, you can see how the channels are very close. Now, with this raised spine here, I'm pretty sure Snowman, Santa, maybe something else holiday came on this stem. That's a hard one to find. If you do have that, cool. If not, don't you wish you had that? But if you look here, that is no feet. This is cut feet. This is no feet with the raised spine. Okay, we need you back again. And here is a footed dispenser. So that is what these PEZ dispensers have in common. Yeah, I'll stop doing that. So until next... Why you gotta steal the show for? So until next time...